Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be solving more Leetcode, but as you can see we're going to be doing another easy problem. This is actually really easy. It's like a nice little warm-up problem. Concatenation of array. So let's get right into it. Let's read the problem. So as you can see here, you are given an integer array nums of length n, create an array and as our answer of length 2n, so double the length of the nums array, where n as I equals nums at I, and n as I plus n equals nums at I, and the rest of that is just nonsense. It basically what it's saying is we want to take every element in nums, and well, you're given an array nums and you need to return a new array that's basically nums repeated twice. So you look at the example here, nums is 1, 4, 1, 2, and then the output will just be 1, 4, 1, 2 twice. So 1, 4, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 2. So now, how do we think about this? So the problem says, well, all this stuff that the problem is saying, it's just like a fancy way of saying the first half of the result is the original array and the second half is the same thing again. So there are a few ways to do this. You could literally just take nums plus nums and be done with it. I know you can do this in Python, I don't know about other languages, but let's walk through the simple way first by building it manually so it's clear what's actually happening. So let's think about the logic here. We want to take every element in nums and append it twice to a new array. So loop twice. So each time you go through every element in nums and push it into the ANS or answer array, after 2 passes, you'll have exactly what you need. So enough whiteboarding. We don't really need a whiteboard for this problem. So let's go straight into the code. So now here we should just start with initializing empty array answer. This will store our answer, will return this. And now we need to loop twice at 2 pass. So for I range 2 times, do a nested for loop. Then we have another for loop inside here, which for n in nums. And then we just append to the answer array. So our answer, so append. So now the first pass will just append all the numbers once. And the second pass will repeat it. It will return all the numbers again because we're only getting it from the nums array. So then the answer should have the nums array twice. So let's just do that. And then simply just return ANS. And if we run this, it should work. So let's run it. And there you go.